Hi everyone. So we are doing Primary 5 English and we are doing synthesis today. So I thought we could try out this synthesis using whom. So let's give an example. So we are joining these two sentences. I met the polite boy. He moved into my neighborhood yesterday. How do you join this sentence? So we should use this as the main sentence. So this he is actually referring to the polite boy. Okay, so first you change the he to the polite boy. So he, you change it to the polite boy. Okay, so the polite boy moved into my neighborhood yesterday. So you insert this sentence into here after the polite boy. So here you insert first sentence. Okay, so you see the polite boy moved into my neighborhood yesterday. So here you have the polite boy moved into my neighborhood yesterday. Okay, so after the polite boy, you should insert the first sentence. So this is the first sentence. So first you connect it with whom. Then you connect it with an action that you did to the polite boy. Okay, so this would be an action done to the person. Okay, so this will be an action done to the person that is written here. So what action is done to the person written here? You see, I met the polite boy. So I met the polite boy. Okay, so you need to say the polite boy whom I met. And then you continue with what happened to this polite boy. So this polite boy moved into my neighborhood yesterday. Okay, so the polite boy whom I met moved into my neighborhood yesterday. Okay, let's try another question. I gave a present to that girl. She is my cousin. Okay, so you should use this as the main sentence. So who is the she? She is referring to that girl. Okay, so first we change it to that girl. So that girl is my cousin. Okay, then you fill in the blanks here first. You write the main sentence here. That girl is my cousin. Okay, so what should happen here is you must insert the first sentence. So here is to insert the first sentence. Okay, so what should you insert here? So you see, I gave a present to that girl. So you should insert the first sentence. So you should insert an action done to the person. So what action is done to this girl? I gave a present to that girl. So the action is that I gave a present. So you should insert. So you should insert I gave a present here. Okay, so how you should join this sentence is that girl. So you put that girl here, whom I gave a present to, whom I gave a present to. Okay, I miss out the word to. So whom I gave a present to is my cousin. So is my cousin. So that girl whom I gave a present to is my cousin. Okay, let's try another question. I spoke to the boy. He was lost. Okay, so let's change the he to the boy. So this he is actually referring to the boy. Okay, so you go ahead and insert, use the main sentence as the boy was lost. Okay, so we insert this main sentence into the answer here first. So the boy should come here. And was lost should come here. And so here we need to insert the first sentence, whom. Okay, so whom would be, here would be an action done to the boy. So what action was done to the boy? You see, I spoke to the boy. So the action is that I spoke to. Okay, so you need to insert I spoke to. So the answer is the boy whom I spoke to was lost. Okay, let's try one more question. I was talking to the girl just now. She lent me her sweater. So we need to use this as the main sentence and we change the she to the girl. Okay, so the main sentence will be the girl lent me her sweater. So the girl we will put here before whom. And lend me her sweater would be here. And here we'll be inserting the first sentence and it should be an action. So the action is that I was talking to the girl. So you should insert I was talking to. I was talking to just now. Okay, so the answer is the girl whom I was talking to just now lent me her sweater. Okay, thank you.